Good morning, children. Now I am going to take EVS subject for second standard term 3 portion, children. All of you take your EVS classwork. In the last class we saw choose, circle the odd and name the following. Now we are going to see match and question answers. Continue, children. Now I am going to write match the following. Take your EVS classwork and write. First one, SILK, silk. Second one, wool, WOOL. Third one, POT, pot. Fourth one, COIR, coir. Then fifth one, purse, PURSE. We used to keep money in purse. Then for that options, leather, LEATHER, leather. Then next one, silkworm, SILK, silk. WORM, silkworm. Then sheep, SHEEP, sheep. Then clay, CLAY, clay. Coconut, COCONUT. See, we get silk from silkworm. So right here 1 mark. Then wool, we get wool from sheep, 2. Then pot is made from clay, so 3. Coir from coconut, okay, 4. Purse, leather, 5. Okay, children, take your classwork and write. Now we are going to see the question and answer. Take your EVS classwork and write, children. Then only you will be able to read at the time of examination. Otherwise, it will be difficult. Okay. First one. What are the sources of natural material? What are the SOURCES, source of natural materials? Answer. The sources of natural material are THE, the SOURCES, OF of natural materials are plants, animals, rocks, 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 and soil. From this only we can make the man-made things. These are the natural materials: plants, animals, rocks, and soil. Second one, what is matter? What is matter? MATTER. Anything? Answer. anything. THINGS. Anything natural or natural means இயற்கை or man-made. Natural or man-made that THAT, that occupies space. SPACE, space is called matter. M-A-T-T-E-R, matter. Example, full stop. Example, size and shape. S-H-A-P-E. If, for example, if we are making one basket that is made from man-made thing is a basket. For that we need space to keep anything. Fruit, we are getting natural, that one. Okay, we are keeping the fruit in the basket that occupies some space and size. Orange is in round shape. So that is called matter. Example, size and shape. Finish, children? Take your EVS classwork and write. Now I am going to write third one, children. What are metals? Answer. Metals are materials. Metals, M-E-T-A-L-S. Metals are materials. M-A-T-E-R-I-A-S. Got from metal ores. Metals are strong, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong, hard and shiny. Example, gold, silver and iron. I-R-O-N, iron. மெட்டல்ஸ் வந்து நமக்கு மெட்டல்ஸ் ஓர்லேருந்து கிடைக்கிது. பூமிக்கு அடியில் வந்து கல் மண்ணிலேருந்து நமக்கு மெட்டல்ஸ் ஓர் கிடைக்கிது. அந்த மெட்டல்ஸ் ஓர்லேருந்து நமக்கு மெட்டல்ஸ், வாட் ஆர் த மெட்டல்ஸ்? கோல்டு, சில்வர் அண்ட் அயன், அலுமினியம், காப்பர். Like that we are getting. Metals are very strong, hard and shiny. We can't break the metals. Okay, we should melt and we can make many things from that metals. So metals are strong, hard and shiny. If you make polish, no, the metals will become very shiny. Gold will be very shiny, no, and silver also very shiny. Then copper also. Okay, these are called metals. What is clay? Clay means what? Kaliman. Answer. Clay is a natural material. C-L-A-Y. Clay is a natural material. It is a type of soil. அது ஒரு மண்ணு வகை. களிமண் சொல்லுவோம்ல, மண்ணு வகை. It is a type of soil. Pots and other things can be made from it. pots, other things means what they used to say, vessels, manchatti, man pandangal solvala, அது மாதிரி நம்ம செய்யலாம். Pots and other things. Toys also they are making nowadays. Pots and other things can be made from it. Can be made from it. Take your classwork and write, children. What are metals? Metals are materials got from metal ores. Metals are strong, hard and shiny. Example, gold, silver and iron. What is clay? Clay is a natural material. It is a type of soil. Pot and other things can be made from it. Finish, children? Now fifth one. Write the names of man-made things from wood. Write the names of man-made things. Man-made things from wood. What are the things made from wood? Say, children, any three we can write. Shelf, wooden shelf is made. Then chair, chair, chair and door. All these things can be made from wood. Sixth one, write the names of man-made things from rubber. W-R-I-T-E. Write the names of the man-made thing things from rubber. Say, children, what we can, the things made from rubber? You are erasing, no? If you make mistake means you are erasing, no? That is also, eraser also is made from rubber only. Okay. Cycle tube, answer I am writing. Cycle tube. Then rubber band. And slipper. You are wearing slipper, no? That is also made from rubber only. Okay, children? Finish, take your classwork and write neatly, children. Then only you will be able to read for annual exam. It will be easy for you to follow. Write the names of man-made things from wood. Shelf, chair and door. Write the names of man-made things from rubber, cycle tube, rubber band and slippers. Finish, children? Now, I am going to take unit 2, page number 73. All of you take 73. My lesson name is My Beloved Motherland. motherland. Motherland means what ma? Nam Thai Nadu da motherland. Our motherland is India. Okay, India is our motherland. My beloved motherland. We are going to see. See here. Take page number 73, all of you. National days and national leaders. In that lesson we are going to see now the national leaders like Mahatma Gandhi ji, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. We are going to see about them and the national festivals on which day we are celebrating this national festival. Okay, see here, August 15. They have given August 15. AUGUST. Say August 15 is our Independence Day. See here, we got independence on that day, August 15th, 1947. We used to hoist the flag in our school. August 15th, Independence Day. For many years, our country, India, was ruled by another country called Britain. English காரங்க தான் நம்மள வந்து Britain, British people only, they ruled our country, India. We became free from their rule on August 15th. அவங்க கிட்ட இருந்து நம்ம விடுதலை பெற்ற நாள் வந்து August 15th. We got independence on that day. India celebrates this day as Independence Day every year. வருஷம் August 15th we are celebrating Independence Day. 26th January, our own law Constitution of India came into force on 25th January 1950. It is celebrated as Republic Day. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of Free India. See here, January 26th. On that day, what we are celebrating, children? National festival, Republic Day. For the people, by the people, and the people, we used to say no. Like that one, we got the rights to vote. Okay, that is called Constitution of India. Own law for our country, they gave Constitution of India. Who was the first president of Free India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. First president of India. Who, children? First president of India is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. DRRAJENDRA. Rajendra Prasad. PRASAD. See here, Dr. Rajendra Prasad picture is given here. He is only Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Many leaders worked hard to make India independent. Two important leaders among them were Mahatma Gandhi ji and Jawaharlal Nehru. For this we are getting independence now. For that they work hard, many people. They are called national leaders. By what? By non-violence. By non-violence, then Mahatma Gandhi ji followed the non-violence. யாருக்கும் எதுவும் துன்புறுத்தாம நம்ம வந்து நேர்மையான வழியை நம்ம இண்டிபெண்டன்ஸ் வாங்கினது அவருடைய கொள்கை, காந்திஜியுடைய கொள்கை. Then Jawaharlal Nehru also joined Mahatma Gandhi ji and got freedom. Not only these two leaders, many more leaders joined together. Okay. In that the main, these two peoples are very important for us, Mahatma Gandhi ji and Jawaharlal Nehru. Mahatma Gandhi ji is affectionately remembered by all of us as Babu. What we call Mahatma Gandhi ji as? Babu. All the people used to call as Mahatma Gandhi ji as Babu only. Father of our nation. He is the father of our nation is Mahatma Gandhi ji. He followed the path of non-violence. He led a simple life and always spoke the truth. His birthday is on 2nd October. He celebrated as Gandhiji. He led a very simple life, Gandhiji. He used to wear only one dhoti only, upper one shawl. He used to put that only. See here. He led a very simple life. He spoke only the truth. Okay, இங்க பாருங்க. Father of our FATHER, father of our nation. Who? Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi ji. 2nd October is we are celebrating as Gandhi Jayanti. Next one, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister. Jawaharlal Nehru was நம்மளுடைய Free India first Prime Minister யாரு? Jawaharlal Nehru only. Okay, after getting independence, he was the first Prime Minister. He was very fond of children. Jawaharlal Nehru liked children very much. He is called as Chacha Nehru. Children used to call Chacha Nehru. Chacha means Mama. Nehru Mama nu solvaanga. He was lovingly known as Chacha Nehru. His birthday 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day. 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day. குழந்தைகள் தினமாக நம்ம November 14th we are celebrating. See here. First Prime Minister. First Prime Minister of India. Who children? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. J-A-W-A-H-A-R Jawaharlal L-E-A-L Jawaharlal Nehru. N-E-H-R-U Jawaharlal Nehru. Then 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day. See here, Jawaharlal Nehru's picture is given here. Okay. Correct the picture of the leader to column A and B.